If you clicked on this video, chances are you're just beginning to invest your hard-earned money and you're trying to decide where to put it. It's your favorite investor, and today I'm back with a super interesting video that I hope will get you going down the right path. You see, it's kind of funny when we talk about investing. We have this need to want to be perfect. And so the discussion of whether you should invest in growth stocks or dividend stocks comes about because of this need for perfection. Now, before we get into the debate, let's talk about what I classify as a growth stock and what a dividend stock is. Growth stocks are easily classified by stocks that are expected to outperform the market, who lean heavily into innovation, disrupting industries, and have an overall outlook of increased profitability, revenue, and cash flow. These are companies like Amazon, Celsius, Palantir, and the list goes on. The age of the company does not matter, but what is important is the outlook of the company in the next 10 years. You will see that the expected revenue model increases at a substantial rate. When it comes to dividend stocks, those are stocks that I like to call as grown stocks. They're mature companies with stable and moderately growing earnings. And these companies pay a dividend to shareholders, usually quarterly. And for the most part, you know that the pace which the company will grow will not be super crazy. However, these companies will grow in market capitalization as they make certain processes more efficient and find ways to increase their profit margins. These are companies like the Home Depot, Walmart, United Parcel Service. These are all big name companies with solid earnings, great dividends, and increasing year-over-year revenue. So now the discussion is, which one should you choose, right? They both seem like solid options. I mean, you really can't lose with either one. Certain personalities on the internet will say that dividends are overrated because the cash paid out is reflected in the price. And while this is true, it's only on the ex-dividend date and the price usually recovers quickly. Although growth maybe gets super hyped, you can invest in the next big thing and all of a sudden in the next 5 years, what you thought where your account was supposed to be growing, it doesn't because that next big thing ended up flopping. So how do you fix this? Well, I say you invest in both. Because finding perfection in the stock market doesn't exist. By investing in a well-diversified portfolio of growth and dividend stocks, your portfolio will not only grow, but you'll also get some exposure, all of the growth that the market has to offer. So going over my portfolio, I'm heavily invested in SCHD, which holds a ton of dividend stocks. But my portfolio doesn't end there. I find opportunities to invest in Amazon, Palantir, and Celsius to help round out my portfolio. This gives me exposure to stable dividend companies where I can then use the dividend payments to buy more growth stocks or whatever I believe to be on sale at the time. Then with my growth stocks, this helps boost the portfolio, the overall portfolio size, allowing me to turn $1,000 into $3,000 in less than a year with one single investment. But I wasn't going to lose sleep over where my funds are allocated because I have it all in dividends and growth, right? If I would have had my entire portfolio in Palantir, I probably would have been a millionaire, to be honest. But come on, who's doing that? The stock could have easily flopped this year, and then I would have been pissed because I just missed out on an entire year of gains. My strategy isn't perfect. It helps keep me invested and gives me the benefits of all the market has to offer. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. I hope you got some value from this video. And if you want to mess around with the numbers on what target price appreciation and dividend yield you should be aiming for, check out thebestdividendcalculator.com so you can see how your money can grow. I encourage you guys to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future content. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.